This is how I turn ChatGPT into my second brain. With the help of these 5 prompts, you can make ChatGPT your personal AI assistant. And the last prompt is the secret prompt that no one will tell you. All the prompts are provided in the comment section as well, so you can check it out. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Prompt number 1, the brain dump. If you are an overthinker, then this prompt will make your life much easier. All the issues, problems, and ideas you're struggling with, instead of solving everything yourself, you can just give it all to ChatGPT. Use this prompt. After this, ChatGPT will turn your messy thoughts into something much more organized and understandable. This can be really helpful if you start using it regularly. Tell me in the comments, have you ever struggled with your thoughts and ideas like an overthinker? So, moving on, without the next prompt, you might be using ChatGPT wrong your whole life. Prompt number 2, the connection finder. Your brain is really good at finding connection, but the problem is when you have information scattered across different notes, documents, or conversations, those connections can be difficult to see. That's where ChatGPT can help. Give it multiple ideas or pieces of information and use this prompt. This can be really useful for setting clear goals and reducing your stress. But even with this, your ChatGPT second brain is still in because the next prompt is going to make your work much more easier than before. Prompt number 3, the knowledge builder. If you are always curious and try new things every day, then you may learn a lot of information in short amount of time. To organize your knowledge and make it much easier to remember and understand, use this prompt. Now, every time you learn something new, you can add it to your personal knowledge system. Over time, you will have a collection of organized information that is easy to understand and revisit. Tell me in the comments what's one skill that you always forgot after learning it, and with the help of the next prompt, you can turn ChatGPT in your personal teacher. Prompt number 4, the memory tester. If you want to test your knowledge based on everything you have learned with ChatGPT, you can ask it to actually test your knowledge and memory from your previous lessons. To do this, use this prompt. Now, ChatGPT isn't just a personal teacher, it's a personal examiner. And because it can adopt a question based on your answers, it can help you exactly figure out where your knowledge is weak. This is especially useful for studying, but you can use it for almost anything you are trying to learn. Now, here comes the last prompt that can actually turn ChatGPT in your second brain and help you with almost everything. Prompt number 5, the second brain. And now, the final prompt. This is the one that brings everything together. With this prompt, you can share your ideas, thoughts, questions, and problems with ChatGPT, and it will help you to create a clear direction and show you the next steps. Here's the prompt. Use this. This is completely different from asking simply questions because now you're giving ChatGPT the context behind the problem and asking it to help you think through the problem with you. That's the real idea behind the second brain. Not replacing your brain, but giving you another system to organize information, find connections, challenge your thinking, and help you see things from a different perspective. So, those were 5 prompts that can turn ChatGPT into something much more powerful than just a chatbot. You can use it to organize your thoughts, connect your knowledge, build a personal knowledge system, test what you actually remember, and think through complex problems with you. The more useful information you give it, the more useful your second brain becomes. So, if you want to try these prompts yourself, I have put them all together in the comment section as well as in the description. And if you found this useful, subscribe to AI Decode for more practical ways to use AI. I'll see you in the next one.